So here we set up the SKY130 PDK for align. So go to your browser and type align SKY130 PDK and hit enter. Now click on the GitHub link align analog layout. Okay, click on the align PDK SKY130 repository and then click on the code and just copy this HTTPS link and go to your align public folder and open terminal here and just type git clone and then paste your HTTP link here. Okay, it is downloaded. So open this folder and go to examples. Here are some examples. So we will see the buffer example here. Here you will see the buffer.sp spice file. So it is the spice file for buffer. Now go to your align public folder. Here you have to open the terminal. Just type python m when general and hit enter. And then write source general slash bin slash activate to activate the general. Okay, go to the work folder. Now type this schematic to layout.py and then give the address to your spice file with an extension of .sp. Here I am taking the buffer example, so I am giving part to it and then give a space dash p and then write give part to your PDK. So it is Sky 130 PDK for me and hit enter. It will take 1 to 2 minutes depending on the circuit. Now the layout is generated for me in the GDS and LEF format. So I'm going to work folder and here is the layout generated by the align.